In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out efficiently using the zoom tool and mouse shortcuts. First, let's get the zoom tool ready. Look for the magnifying glass icon in your toolbar. It's commonly on the side of the workspace. This is your dedicated tool for controlling the view without changing the actual image. If you don't see it immediately, it may be grouped with other hand or navigation tools. Once selected, your cursor will typically change to a magnifying glass, letting you know you're ready to zoom. To zoom in, simply click directly on the area you want to inspect. Each click brings you closer, and the spot you click becomes the center of the zoom. This is especially helpful when you want to focus on fine details, like edges or textures. A helpful tip is to click near the subject you need to examine, so the software centers that area for you. If your app shows a zoom percentage somewhere on the screen, keep an eye on it to understand how close you are. When you need to back out, hold the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on a Mac and click. You'll notice the cursor may switch to a minus sign, indicating you're zooming out. Continue Alt or Option clicking until you're back to a broader view that shows the full composition or just the amount of context you need. This makes it easy to toggle between detail work and overall layout checks without switching tools. You can also use your mouse scroll wheel to navigate quickly. Scrolling typically moves you up and down the canvas, helping you reposition your view after zooming. This keeps your workflow fluid and your focus on the areas that matter. For even smoother control, hold Alt on Windows or Option on a Mac while using the mouse wheel. This combination gives you a gradual, fluid zoom in and out rather than jumping in fixed increments. It's perfect for fine-tuning the view to an exact level, especially handy when you're aligning elements, checking edges, or comparing details. Keep your cursor hovering over the spot you care about. The software will use that point as a guide for where to zoom. To recap, select the zoom tool, click to zoom in, hold Alt or Option and click to zoom out. Use the scroll wheel to navigate, and for precise control, hold Alt or Option while scrolling. With these techniques,